Hello, I'm Tangavel Manoharan. Our organization has built a strong reputation in the foundry sector, where precision, consistency, and efficiency plays a vital role in ensuring that every product we deliver meets the highest standards of quality. One of the most critical enablers of our day-to-day operation is compressed air, which powers a wide range of applications within our facility. Without reliable compressed air supply, even minor interruptions could affect our productivity. However, due to the nature of our process and frequent fluctuations in compressed air demand for powering pneumatic tools, pressing, shaping, and grinding to sandblasting and cleaning applications, the compressor was often operating in cycling mode with excessive cut-ins and cutouts. To address this, ELGi introduced us to their latest innovation, the Demand Match System, an intelligent airflow control system that automatically matches compressed air output to the plant's real-time demand. To validate these benefits, we installed a compressor equipped with ELGi's Demand Match System along with our existing air compressor and compared their performance over a specific period. The result was amazing. Average power consumption dropped from 41.4 kilowatt to 36.7 kilowatt per hour, and 11.4% reduction. This translates to 963 units saved over just 12 days, significantly reducing energy costs. Load cycles reduced drastically from 142 cycles per hour to just 3, ensuring stable pressure, low mechanical stress, and longer equipment life. At Velmani Industries, we view ELGi as not just a compressed air system provider, but as a partner in dividing operational efficiency and sustainability. ELGi's focus on innovations backward by engineering excellence and real-world data helps us align with our goals of efficiency, cost reduction, and environmental responsibility. The ELGi Demand Match System has truly set a new benchmark for operational stability and energy savings. Thanks to ELGi's cutting-edge technology and commitment to customer success, we have taken a significant step in optimizing our compressed air system, and we look forward to continuing this partnership in the years ahead.